Selling your home in as-is condition. That's today's topic. We're going to discuss the pros and the cons, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Nora Spangler with Rogue Real Estate here in Bend, Oregon. If this is your first time to my channel, would you give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and hit the little bell icon, and then you'll get notified each week when I put out a new video. In Oregon, all homes are sold in as-is condition unless you, as the seller, agree to repair some part of the home. You also can't slip a fast one by to a buyer without letting them know the condition of your home. So don't be thinking that you're just going to unload a home that has a lot of defects on an unsuspecting buyer. Typically, selling your home in as-is condition means that the seller is unwilling to do any repairs to the home, and therefore any repairs that need to be done are going to have to be handled by the buyer after the sale is closed. So let's talk about 3 different ways that you can sell your home without doing a ton of updates. The first one is sell it as is, off market. So don't even list it in the MLS. Don't even do for sale by owner. You're going to have to find an investor or a flipper, or you know those little signs you see sometime when you're driving around your neighborhood that say, "We buy homes for cash"? Yeah, those people are real. There are companies that will buy your home, pay you cash, not make you do any repairs, but beware, because the con of doing it this way is that you're going to get less than fair market value, because they have to do the repairs that you're not willing to do in order to flip the home or sell the home to someone else. Another option in this category would be to sell your home to what is now known as an iBuyer service. These are companies like Zillow Offers, OfferPad, Open Door. So you should check into those companies. Some of them are not functioning right now because of COVID and the market conditions. They are not offering to buy homes for cash any longer. So check them out. I will just offer one word of caution. They do charge significant service fees. Now, it's called a service fee instead of a commission. And you should just know that that money, you're still spending money to sell your home, but it's going to some anonymous corporation somewhere rather than to a local realtor in your community who would spend that commission and put that money back into the community. The service fees for these companies can be more than a typical realtor commission. They can be between 5 and 14%. So just buyer beware or seller beware and read the fine print, understand all about the companies that are offering to buy your home. If you are thinking about selling your home off market, why don't you go ahead and click the link below, and I will give you a free home value report. And that way, at least you'll be armed with accurate information to negotiate the best price for your home. If you're thinking of moving to Bend, I have a relocation guide that I made just for you. Click the link below that says relocation guide, and I will send that right out to you. Option number 2 is not that different from option number 1, except that you are going to find a local realtor, and they are going to take professional pictures of your home. They're going to do lots of marketing, social media. They're going to put a lot of effort into trying to get a buyer for your home. Now, just because you're going to list your home with a realtor and put it into the local multiple listing service, the MLS, doesn't mean that you have to do a lot of repairs or remodeling or work on your home. Many home sellers can get by with just a really deep clean, some decluttering, and maybe some landscape updates, some light maintenance to the home, and then photos can be taken and some great marketing can be done to attract buyers. You can actually make the home appear much more current and updated if you stage the home with some trendy accessories and items that will help the home sell, especially these days when people are buying first with their eyes, looking at the beautiful photos online. And your local realtor will know how to squeeze every penny of value from your home. Another pro to listing your home and not doing a ton of updates or repairs is that many buyers are looking for a home that is not a cookie cutter track type home. They don't want new construction. They like the floor plans and the layout of older homes, and they don't mind doing some of the remodeling over time. Maybe they even want to put their own sweat equity into the property. And by the way, if you're watching this and you're not in Bend and you need to sell a home somewhere else in the country, please reach out to me. I have partners and friends. I know realtors all over the country, and I'd be more than happy to give you a couple referrals to agents in your area. So your third option is to go all in and work with a local realtor who can help you decide which updates and repairs are really necessary. You may be surprised. You probably don't have to do that much to your home to get it ready to sell. So how do you know what repairs and updates you would need to do to your home? Well, that's where I come in, because I will do research. We'll look at active listings and sold listings in your specific neighborhood. I will scour through all the photographs, and we will determine which upgrades people paid for in your neighborhood. And by doing this, we can figure out what upgrades you might want to do, which is better for your home, wood floors or vinyl plank floors. Should you put carpet in, granite or quartz? All these questions can be answered by a lot of diligent research, which I will do on your behalf, and then you can move forward quickly with any updates, repairs that need to be done, and get your home sold. If you have any questions about real estate in Bend, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next week.